Good morning, students. This is my new session of online class, and today I am going to explain chapter 8 of 8th class, and name of the chapter is Cell Structure and Function. So I will discuss it. Students, today I will discuss these topics. First is cells, discoveries of cells, cell, shape and size, cells number, basic structure of cell, cell organelles, and difference between plant cell and animal cell. So students, I will discuss one by one these points. Let us compare tree with a potted plant. Tree is a huge plant. Green leaves make food in both plants. Roots help in absorption of water. Flowers allow them to reproduce. Stem has leaves, flowers and fruits. There is difference in the size but have same functions. After the comparison of plants, let us compare man with an animal. They cannot do photosynthesis. They give birth to young ones. They have 4 limbs. They have proper organ systems. So students, there are so many similarities between them. After the conclusion of these, we concluded all plants and animals, either they are small or large, are made up of small units, that is cells. Due to this basic unit cell, there are so many similarities between different plants and different animals. From these comparison, come to the point that what are cells or how we can define cell. Cells are the basic building blocks of all living things. It is a structural and functional unit of living organism by which livings get their structure and have functions. Next is cell shape and size. The shape of the cell depends upon the function it performs. The shape of cell may change or remain same. There are so many organisms which have variable shape. So let us discuss it. Cells with variable shapes. Some cells can change their shapes according to their need or functions. First is WBC, white blood cells, and amoeba, which can change their shape. Cell size. Size of cell also varies. In animal, smallest cell is mycoplasma, which has the measurement 0.1 micron or 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 11 meter. And largest cell is ostrich egg, which has measurement 17 centimeter diameter. Cells are very small in size and we cannot see with naked eye. So scientist Anton van Leeuwenhoek discovered an instrument which is called microscope. This instrument is used to magnify small things which we cannot see. So students, after the discovery of microscope, question arises, who discovered cell? Robert Hooke discovered cell in thin slice of cork in 1665. Cork is made up of dead cell and it is of bark of tree. Firstly, scientist Robert Hooke discovered ancient microscope under which he observed the cell structure. Now students, come to the topic shape of cell can be. It can be spindle-like, flat, oval, irregular, disc-like, round, cylindrical, cube-like, elongated. These are the shapes of cell which are used in different organisms. Different shapes of cells like spindle shape, which occur in smooth muscle fiber, disc-like, which we can see in red blood cells or RBCs in our body. These are the different shapes of cells. Branched nerve cell and flat cells of skin. Nerve cell provide sensation to our body and convey message to the brain, by which brain works and give response to the given message which by body. Structure of cell. Cell structure composed of two main parts. First is cell membrane, which is also called as plasma membrane, and second thing is protoplasm, which is the living content of cell. So students, these are discussed as protoplasm, which is living material of cell. It is composed of two parts. First is cytoplasm and second is nucleus. These are the components of protoplasm, which is the living material of cell, and these are as cytoplasm is the living content of cell in which different cell components take place, and nucleus, which contain chromosome, which provide hereditary material to the livings. So students, now I will discuss cell membrane, which is also called as plasma membrane. It is the outermost covering present in animal cell and also in plant cell. But in plant cell, outermost covering is cell wall. It is called semi-permeable or selective permeable membrane because it permits selective substance to the cell. It is made up of lipids and proteins. So, functions of cell membrane or plasma membrane. It provides support to cell or protective in nature. Exchange of materials take place. It provides shape to cell and protect from injury. Now cell wall. It is outer to cell membrane, and in plant cell it is the outermost layer, which is made up of dead cell called cellulose. It present only in plant cells, so it is the outermost layer in plants. Functions of cell wall. It provide mechanical support to cell. It allows materials to exchange. It maintain shape of cell. This cell wall is totally permeable because it permit all substance in the cell.